everyone, today we're really excited to bring to you our brand new sheep kit. I'm sure some of you have seen these before at our events, and we've put together this really cute little pack so you can stamp up and decorate the wooden sheep. I'm just going to show you what's inside. So you get a wooden sheep, some string, purple ink or black ink. We do two different styles, as well as a wooden peg stamp ball of wool. And it comes in this really cute little bag that you can reuse again, or it's a great idea to gift. And on the reverse it has a little step-by-step tips and techniques on how to create your wooden sheep. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to actually stamp and create. Start off by taking your wooden peg stamp, and if you're quite new to stamping, we always recommend stamping straight onto your page first, just to get a feel for the ink. And when you are ready to go, you can start stamping straight onto the wood. You don't need to prime our birch wood. This ink is great to stamp with. You can just twist and turn, and I tend to re-ink after every impression, and that way you get a really crisp print all the way up. At this point, if you want to stamp around the face but not actually cover it, just tear a piece of paper, mask off the edge, and just continue stamping, working your way around, and that'll give you a really clean finish. So the face is clean. Just finish off by adding your string straight through the pre-cut hole, and just tie a knot straight in the top, just like so.